Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can manage your classroom inside your Skool community. This is where you essentially create your course materials. Let's scroll on the second section on the upper menu over here, click on the classroom, and you will have the capability to create a brand new class where you might run a video class or you might run an actual text class broken down into different modules. So if you just start your Skool, you don't have any content, you will have this option over here, which is an empty box and it says new course. You can click on it and then you will have the option to start building your course. You're gonna start with the name of the course. You only can fit up to 50 characters, so be very mindful what is the actual title of the course, because you will have 10 times more characters underneath to describe the course, where is the course description. And then something that I really want you guys to pay very close attention: if you have a paid community but you want to keep the community publicly open so people can browse around, so they can see what you offer, but you don't want to give them the courses right until they actually join, every course that you publish, you want to place on the second option, which is level unlock. This is only for people who are paying for the community, right? So this is what we're doing on our community. We have a bunch of courses that are only available for people after they join. Any other person who is just browsing, he can see what is happening, what kind of communications we have, what type of discussions are we running. They see all the classroom, all the classes, but they cannot unlock the classes. So this is my advice. And then you can create much more value, more detailed content, where you can actually give more actionable steps and probably can give a one-on-one consultation, and you can move the ladder over here.